gonna hold your breath on this one.
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah, you're up and about all day long. Because you're on your feet when you're teaching too, right?
And then coaching.
And then coaching right after.
Oh my gosh. Oh.
How's the knee doing?
It's getting better.
Yeah, you been playing at all?
No, not yet. I want to though.
Let's check this out right here.
Are you doing that lower back?
What's that?
Are you doing the lower back?
I'm going to. I'm just trying to see right there. Going into that extension doesn't feel so good, does it?
It's weird because of the knee.
Yeah.
But I did feel something.
Let's get this loosened up right here first. Is it raining outside yet or no?
It was in my area. It's a little clear over here, but I don't know if it's gonna move this way.
Yeah. Where were you at before?
Carrollton.
Oh, okay.
Oh, because there's like clouds up above Carrollton and Louisville area.
On this side. Other side for me.
Other side?
Yep. Tuck this in a little bit more.
Oh, I feel something back there.
Right in your glute.
Oh,
There you go.
what the first one?
A little bit more on one side. On your back. Nice, nice. There you go.
Is it supposed to be tight like that?
Yes, sir. Get it loose.
Oh.
Slide down towards your feet just a little bit. There you go. Just a big hug. Let that shoulder drop.
Oh.
That goes on there. Let it go, let it go. Alright, let me get these legs moving. Get all stretched out. Done right through here. Done. Yep, there you go. Push into me as hard as you can. Push, push, push. And let it go. Relax, 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 relax. Push up. And let it go. Let it go, let it go, let it go. There you go.
Oh, no.
Push into me. And let it go. Push again. And let it go. Awesome. Swelling's gone down in that knee a lot too.
Has it?
Yeah, still a little bit, but nowhere near.
Yeah, push.
And let go. Let that hip drop. Bring that hand on your stomach. There you go. Push up. And let go.
I'm not that strong there yet.
That's alright. Doing a lot better.
I'll take that.
Push. And let go. Push again. And let go. There you go. Exhale. Straighten this out. There you go. Deep breath in. Exhale.
Oh.
There you go. Get that other side.
That's sensitive.
It is. It's super tight through there. It's just also pulling on that low back.
That's not that bad.
This one's nowhere near as what the other side is. Good. Alright, let's get this. Let it go for me. Relax that. Good. There you go. Alright, come on up for me.
About that, man.
Yeah. Stand up, move it around so close.